Flush valve adjustment video. Open the water tank lid. Rotate the flush valve 180 degrees to remove it. You will see adjustment slots on both sides of the flush valve. The white side adjusts the full flush volume, while the green side adjusts the half flush volume. You can adjust the flush volume for full and half flush separately. Press the button and move the valve up or down. The larger the number on the slot, the smaller the flush volume. The smaller the number, the larger the flush volume. There is also an adjustment valve at the bottom of the float. A smaller number means a larger flush volume. If you need to increase the flush volume, adjust it accordingly. After adjustment, reinstall the flush valve. Note that there is a latch at the bottom of the flush valve. Rotate the flush valve until it is securely fixed. Pay attention to the installation direction. Left side for full drainage, right side for half drainage. Once installed, put the water tank lid back on.